Hi, Mitt. It's Chris. I just wanted to talk about it. I really like the way this looks. The only thing I want to see if we can change is it all being on one page. I need to, for the sake of conversion, first, for the sake of adding people to an abandoned cart drip campaign, I need to break this checkout into two or three steps. For example, when you come to my current site, this first page, once they enter in their first name, last name, email, date of birth, address, a lot of people do this. When they get to the second page where I actually ask for their credit card, that's where they tend to drop off. So I want to split this up into either one step being just the first contact info, step two being billing, and then step three being checkout, or step one being contact and billing, and then step two being checkout. Is there any way to split this into two pages so that when they submit this, they have to press next, and that information will then be um, pushed to active campaign so I can start that drip campaign automation. It would be a press next or abandoned cart um, list, which will start the automation there, and then billing, and then the credit card info. But I really like the way it looks. Um, we're almost there. All right. Let me know if you have any questions. But again, I just want to split up contact info, billing, and then credit card, because after contact info, I want to be able to push those people to the drip campaign. It also, maybe we can track how many people complete step one, how many people complete step two, how many people complete step three. And the purpose of this, I'll share. I do a lot of tracking, so I track my current funnel, and I'm going to take you there right now just so you could see. Every Monday, I have an email sent that tracks the performance of my funnel. So here, this is what it looks like, and I could see how many visitors, how many users, how many people saw the checkout, how many people saw checkout number two, and how many people actually converted. So saw checkout is this page. Once they press next, that's considered checkout two. And then once they complete their credit card info, that's when I'll get the thank you page, right? Which you actually showed the thank you page. All right. Any questions? Shoot me a message back, or we could jump on a call. All right. Talk to you soon.